Hey, son, what are we gonna do today? Yeah, I don't know. What the? Doing? Go over, go over. Sit right, never get. You'll never get a hold of me, Lucky Charms. Whoa! What the heck just happened? I don't know, Sonic. Really? So, man, it's been like a long time. Eddie's just like pumping out all these like revivals and all this other stuff and all this fourth wall breaking. Tarico crap with the beep. You know what? Making his videos too long. Yeah. Hey, you wanna dance? Bop. Uh. Eggman. Da 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 da. Pings, pings, Eggman, Eggman, Eggman. He's still there. Yep.